Section 3, look at you go. So, now that we understand just how critical the speed of our website really is, know exactly what the nature of the course is and the best way to take it, and are well versed about the foundation of any properly constructed WordPress web performance optimization schema, we need to know two things. The first, whether or not the optimizations we implement, as we implement them, are making our website faster, by how much and in what ways. The second, how to know whether or not each of the optimizations that we implement, as we implement them, are making our website faster, by how much and in what ways. In other words, how to make sure we are garnering accurate metrics. Without accurate metrics, this is all guesswork. Without accurate metrics, we have not proved, nor can we prove anything. Regarding the first thing we need to know, we will be making use of several free online tools. All of them are really good for particular things, with one being especially good for everything we are after. I'll be going over all of these tools and explaining them, and we'll be exampling their use applicability in this section. Regarding the second thing we need to know, whether or not the information these tools are giving us is accurate, I need to go over the two senses in which these tools differ fundamentally from one another. Because, as counterintuitive as it may sound to you right now, even an inaccurate tool can be helpful. Some of these tools are what we at WpFASTER refer to as synthetic testing tools. So, what does that mean? A synthetic testing tool is one that, in virtue of how it works, cannot give us the most accurate metrics, the most accurate data, the most accurate numbers about what our site's users actually experience, but is still helpful to our speed optimization play for the reasons that it is. Other tools are what we refer to as organic testing tools. An organic testing tool is one that, in virtue of how it works, can give us the most accurate metrics, the most accurate data, the most accurate numbers about what our site's users actually experience, but is not or may not be helpful to our speed optimization play for the reasons that a synthetic tool might be. Said differently, and in short, a synthetic testing tool is not entirely accurate, but is nonetheless assistive and informative. An organic testing tool, on the other hand, is entirely accurate, but may not help us or inform us in the way a synthetic tool can. These definitions, I promise, will make much more sense as we proceed with the section. So, it follows then that using both synthetic as well as organic testing tools is the best course of action to verify or falsify the efficacy of the optimizations we implement as we implement them. So let's take a look at the first tool we will be covering now.